No other holiday says summer better than the 4th of July. Not only is it a celebration of our independence, but for many, it's a celebration of food. Barbecue experts fire up their grills to braise, simmer, and sear meats to perfection. It's a time for fun, fresh salads, for picnics and outdoor excursions. And of course, all of this is topped off with divine desserts. Now, Independence Day desserts can take any number of forms, from bars to cookies to pies. But one ingredient takes center stage at this time of year, one that should absolutely be celebrated in its own right. I'm talking, of course, about cherries. Just outside Marion sits Allen's Orchard. This family-owned business primarily offers fresh apples and some produce. But in those magical weeks of late June and early July, you'll find cherries reigning supreme.
We eat cherries right off the tree. Usually we develop a red face around them, red clothing. The cherries are North Star. It's a variety of a tart cherry. If you get it when it's ripe, it's just a very pleasant flavor, but it is not tingling to your sweet taste buds at all. If you get it and it's not quite ripe, then it tends to be rather sour. But tart is what we're aiming for. Sweet, it never will be.
In the U.S., the majority of tart cherries are grown in Michigan. They also grow well in most of Iowa, but finding them fresh can be a terrific challenge.
This one looks good.
Yeah.
The cherries are very, very popular at this time of year for people who like to make baked goods, make cherry turnovers or jams or jellies, or just eat.
We are actually going to try to make a cherry pie.
So now that they know we are here and are able to provide U-Pick, people are excited, and we're very happy to be able to serve them. Cherry trees really do not take a tremendous amount of care. Some of the trees will bear better than others. So every year is just a little bit different.
Do you need help? Do you want the stem or no stem?
You sort of pinch it, and hopefully you get the stem with it. And that will keep the cherry the freshest for you to use. If you're ready to eat the cherry, you just reach for the cherry that's the deepest in color, and you pull the cherry off. And then you can either eat, bake, jam, or freeze, and your cherries are good.
Versatility in baked goods, numerous health benefits, and even the beautiful blooms in spring allow the cherry to be among the few highly prized and sought-after summer ingredients. An ingredient that will tantalize your taste buds like few other foods can.